A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to limits. So let us start with the question. Now question is, evaluate the limit. And of this function, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x whole upon x. Now this is our question. We have to evaluate this limit. Now, first of all, we have to write the given function. So see the solution. Since limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x upon x, this is given. Now you know the formula. Since you know the formula, cos x formula is 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. This is the formula. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine square x by 2 whole upon x. This is clear. Now this one will cancel out. So result will be 2 times limit x tends to 0. This is 2 outside the limit. Limit sine square x by 2 whole upon x. This is clear. Now this x we can write x square into x. And suppose we are going to divide by 4. So multiply 4 means x by 4 will be here. Now these steps we can write 2 times limit x tends to 0 sine of x by 2 whole upon x by 2 whole square into limit x tends to 0 of x by 4. Now you can see. This is clear. And this result will be 0. When x tends to 0, this result will be 0, means whole result will be 0. Now this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, question number 2. Now question number 2 is, evaluate the limit. Limit is limit x tends to 0 root over 1 plus x 1 minus x whole upon, this is sin x, 1 plus x minus 1 minus x whole upon sin x. So this is second question. Now see, in this question, first of all, we have to rationalize. If you will see any irrational part, then you will rationalize. So given limit x tends to 0, root over 1 plus x minus root over 1 minus x whole upon sin x. So we are going to rationalize. When you will rationalize, what you will get the result? Root over 1 plus x minus root over 1 minus x, suppose whole square. This is a square minus b square whole upon root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 minus x into sin x. This is the formula a square minus b square. When you will split, this will cancel out. So this sin x we can write into 1 upon sin x separately. Now when you will see, this expression will be 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. So limit x tends to 0, this is 1 plus x minus 1 plus x and whole upon root over 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. This step is clear? Now 1 upon sin x, this minus 1 is cancelled, so this will be 2x, and now these steps we can write limit x tends to 0, 1 upon root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 minus x with into this result will be 2x, but x I will transfer in denominator. So how it can be transferred? So 1 upon sin x upon x we can write. Clear? Now when you will operate limits in both expression, this result will be x tends to 0 or x tends to 0 or. Now when you will operate limit x tends to 0, this will be root 1, this will be root 1 also. So root 1 means 2, means 2 by 2 will be here. And with 1 upon limit x tends to 0, this is sin x upon x. Now this will be also 1. So 2 by 2 will be 1 and this result will be 1. So result will be 1. This is the answer. Now this question number 2 is completed. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now question number 3 is evaluate limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 whole upon root over 1 minus cos x. This is the expression and we have to simplify. Now this is our question. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 whole upon root over 1 minus cos x. So you know the formula, cos x result is 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Formula is cos x result is 1 minus 2 times sin square x by 2. So this expression will be limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 whole upon, this result is 1 minus 1 plus 2 times sin square x by 2, and this minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out and result will be 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2, that will be outside the limit. So limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 whole upon sine of x by 2. This step is clear. Now you will see this expression we can write 1 by root 2 into limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 whole upon x and into x upon sin x by 2. These steps you can write. We have rationalized by x. So suppose we can write this, and this result we can send here. Now result will be, when you will operate limit in both, so this result is 1, you know, this is the formula, and this is also 1. So 1 by root 2 into 1 into 1 into 2. Now its result will be root 2. Check it. Root 2 is the answer. Now question number 3 is completed. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is evaluate the limit. Evaluate the limit. Now question is limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos 3x 1 minus cos 2x, not 3x, and 3 plus cos x whole upon x time tan 4x. So this question we have to evaluate. Now limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos 2x 3 plus cos x whole upon x time tan 4x. Now limit x tends to 0 cos 2x formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So this expression will be 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x. Now this is 3 plus cos x whole upon x time tan 4x. Now this plus 1 minus 1 will cancel, and limit x tends to 0 this is 2, and this is sin x, sin square x. So this sin square x we can write sin x upon x whole square into x, because here will be x square, so x square from x will cancel, and whole upon tan 4x, suppose, into 3 plus cos x. We have split in 3 parts. So 2 into 1, when you will operate limit here, you will get 1. So this part we can write, suppose this is 4x, means 1 by 4 into, limit I am writing here. So limit x tends to 0, this is 1 by 4 upon tan 4x upon 4x. This format will be also 1, with limit x tends to 0, 3 plus cos x. Clear? This expression will be 2 into 1 by 4 na? 1 by 4 into limit x tends to 0, this result will be 3 plus 1. So result will be 2 into 1 by 4 into 4, result will be 2. Now answer is 2. Can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Now question number 5 is, now the next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is, evaluate the limit, and limit is limit x tends to 0, sin 4x upon sin 2x. This is our question. Sin 4x upon sin 2x. Now limit x tends to 0, sin 4x upon sin 2x. Now this expression we can write limit x tends to 0, sin 4x upon 4x into 4x, whole upon sin 2x upon 2x into 2x. This x is cancel, and when you will operate limit, so 4 by 2 is here, and in numerator limit 4x is tending to 0 of sin x 4x upon sin of 4x whole upon 4x into limit 2x tends to 0 sin 2x upon 2x. This result will be 2. Now 2 into 1 by 1 result is 2. Now this is the answer. Now question number 5 is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 6. Now question number 6 is question is evaluate the limit. This is question number 6. Limit x tends to 0, x cube plus 1 upon x plus 1. Now this is our question. Now limit x tends to 0, x cube plus 1 cube we can write, and next x plus 1. Now in this question, you know the formula, a cube plus b cube. What is the formula? A plus b in bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now we can write, this is the formula. So limit x tends to 0, this is x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 whole upon x plus 1. Now this x plus 1 will cancel. So when you will operate limit, so what you will get the result? When you will operate limit, what you will get the result? You will get limit x tends to 0, x square minus x plus 1. So result will be 1. This step is clear? Now suppose this is the same question when limit is changed. This is the same question when limit is changed, because same question is here in this book. Suppose question number 7 and limit is minus 1. So same process you will use. This will be minus 1, formula will be same, this will be minus 1, and when you will operate limit x tends to minus 1. So what you will get the result? X tends to minus 1 means minus 1 whole square. Now this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. So result will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Result is 3. Now 3 is the answer. Value of limit questions depend on limits. Limit is changed, then value will be changed. First question, limit x tends to 0, their answer was 0, 1. And in this question, x tends to minus 1, so answer will be 3. Now in similar process, you can do many types of questions related to limits, trigonometrical functions, and this is algebraic functions. And one important formula is here which is very most important used in limit, that is a minus b, a cube minus b cube, and a cube plus b cube. A cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube, and a square minus b square, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, and a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, and a minus b in terms of power 1 by 3, a minus b in terms of power 1 by 3, a plus b in terms of power 1 by 3. So there are many formulas you have to learn, and then used in limit questions.